Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Anna. So you guys, you know that we recently moved into our house. Well, I shouldn't say recently, but it's been about 6 months that we've been in our house, but we didn't buy a brand new house, so we had to do cleaning and making sure everything was, you know, sanitized for us. And so I did a lot of the cleaning, and one of the things which was a major thing to me is to get the floors cleaned. So what we did is we hired a company to come out and clean our floors and the grout lines. So we just looked up REZ in Las Vegas because we heard that they were really good, and we really had no idea like how it would turn out, because I was thinking to myself like, okay, yeah, so grout cleaning, tile cleaning, like if I mop it, it's gonna be clean, right? But actually, you guys, it made such a huge difference. Like, you are not gonna believe your eyes when you see the before and after of our house tile. It's super crazy. Like, the grout lines were black and it's supposed to be like a gray color, and it came out super clean. And they did not, this is not a collaboration or anything like that, but I just wanted to share with you guys in case you are thinking that you need to remodel or like tear your tile out. You should try cleaning it first and see how it looks. But yeah, they had a really good special, so we were like, why not? You know, we can have them do like upstairs and downstairs for the price of doing, you know, the downstairs. So it was kind of a no-brainer to have them do upstairs and downstairs. Let me know what you guys think. Or have you ever thought about cleaning your tile? Oh my gosh, you guys, what do you think about these floors? Don't they look super amazing? I was so happy the way they turned out afterwards, and I'm definitely calling them again to come out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!